This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Diesel technology provides the optimal blend of power and efficiency, serving up excellent fuel economy and generous engine torque. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as cruise control, heated seats, power moonroof, and leather upholstery. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.